Hi, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Beauty is the illumination of the soul. There is so much beauty in simplicity. Be strong, be fearless, be beautiful, be about you.
So, today's video is a bit different. As you guys know that I am a beauty blogger. I do hair, I do skin as well. But today I want to feed your soul basically. I just want to talk about something that is going to make you feel good about yourself because as a beauty blogger, I don't only aim to make you look beautiful outside, but I also want you to be beautiful inside because beauty comes from within. I mean, like, what's the use of you looking so fly outside, meanwhile, inside you are the most hurt, discouraged, and negative person. That's why I decided that I just want us to just sit and let us just talk. What I'm going to talk about today is something that we are afraid to talk about. Let me just say we're afraid to talk about because no one is talking about it basically. So I am going to talk about how to deal with pressures of having your peers progressing before you. Basically, how to deal with having your friends achieving so many things before you achieve your things. I mean, we are all bound to feel those type of pressures, guys. Whether you're old, whether you're young, whether you're my age. I'm 24, by the way. But we are all bound to feel those pressures, and some people don't really handle those pressures very well. So basically, I'm talking to you who are in a journey of making a name for yourself, but you feel as if your process is very, very slow, and you're discouraged by seeing other people who you started with progressing very quicker than you are. Yes. So, how do we handle those pressures? How do we deal with those pressures? Okay. So, I just want us first speak about me and how what I'm currently going through so that you can relate to where I'm coming from with me wanting to speak about this. Okay. So I am currently doing my second degree right now. So my first degree was at the University of KwaZulu-Natal. I studied biochemistry and microbiology, and I completed 2018. But towards the end of my degree, I discovered something about myself that I don't know where it came from. I would say it came from OTJ Sbu Mofaya. He motivated me to venture into entrepreneurship. Mind you, I'm not from a family that is entrepreneurial. My mother is a teacher. My father was a mechanic at Console Glass. So both my parents were working class, and none of my other family members were business people. So I decided that I just want to venture out into something that no one has ever done. It was me and my sister, Ebile. So yeah, towards the end of my degree, my final year, we started selling chickens. Actually, yeah, we started selling chickens, and yeah, so when I completed my degree, I already had a plan as to what I'm going to do after my degree. But my mother was like, no, just look for an internship. I mean, you have spent so many time so much energy getting your degree. Why don't you just go and find a job, so you can fund your business? Because guys, getting funding for a business is hard. Nobody wants to invest in an idea. They want to invest when they actually see that your business is profitable. But how do you have a profitable business, Usakal? I am not there. That's the reason why I went to do my internship. That was 2019. I did my internship at this camp. I was a vitamins consultant there. After my internship, I went back to my business, and we encountered a lot of problems that my mother was like, you know what, Bonozi, just go back to school, because at that time I wasn't finding a job with what I studied, you know. And she was like, just go back to school, maybe go get an honors. And I was like, no, what, mom, no, I just want to venture out. I don't like what I was studying. Let me do chemical engineering, because I mean, I love the chemistry. I love chemistry, and I want to own my own alcohol brand one day, and I want to own my own beauty products as well. So like chemical engineering is gonna help me with that as well. So that's why I'm currently studying chemical engineering in WITS currently. Yes, I'm doing my postgraduate there currently. So all my friends, they're pharmacists basically. Yeah, all my friends are pharmacists. If they know, if they're not doctors, they are biomedical technologists or pharmacists, but they're all in the health uh, sector. So obviously, we started at the same time. We're doing different things. That's why I would always say that you run your own race, right? So we're doing different things, and they completed with a degree in pharmacy, in doctor, and all of that, and they are currently like entry level of their careers, and they're starting to make money, they're starting to buy cars, they're starting to live the life. And I am here still trying to figure out this entrepreneurship. I am on my second degree now. It looks like I'm just all over the place, and I just don't know what I want. And yeah, it came with a bit of discouragement, seeing my friends goes, oh my gosh, you guys can do whatever you want to do now. You have the money, you have the freedom, you can make just like grown up adults decisions about your life. And look at me, I am still like trying to figure out myself. What really helped me is understanding myself and the weight of what I have asked for kuNkulunkulu. You need to understand ukuthi we ask for different things kuNkulunkulu. God, we ask for different things. That's why you cannot compare yourself to somebody who's at a drive-through at McDonald's ordering a burger while you're sitting down at a five-star restaurant and you have ordered your ribs or steak. Your steak is going to take time for you to prepare, and whoever's at a drive-through is going to get what they ordered way faster than you. So you have to weigh what you have asked for, uNkulunkulu. You have to weigh what you have asked for, because you don't understand the weight of what you have asked for. You won't know the preparation that goes into you receiving it. There's so much preparation that goes into preparing ribs and steak compared to the preparation that goes into making a burger. So you are going to have to wait longer compared to somebody who has ordered a burger. Whenever you're going to ask for something from God, you have to understand ukuthi, how long is it going to take for me to get, based on what you have asked for. Obviously, if you asked for to be a billionaire, you're not going to wake up in 4 years and you're a billionaire. Okay, maybe you can, but what are the chances? You are gonna have to go through so many things that are gonna shape you to being a billionaire one day. So you need to understand what it is that you asked for and the preparation that comes with what you have asked for. I asked to be an entrepreneur. I wasn't born wanting to be an entrepreneur, but I decided on my third year, my final year of my studies, that I wanted to be an entrepreneur. At that time, my friends, they were also completing. So, I changed my mind and I was like, God, I want to be an entrepreneur. So I had to start a new race again while they are closer to the finish line, you see. So why I'm going to compare myself to them? Why? Because I changed my mind later on my stages when I found myself that I wanted to be an entrepreneur. But because I understood what I asked for is not something I'm gonna achieve in the first or the second day. It's gonna take like 10 years for me to be a successful entrepreneur in whatever business I am in. I'm currently in a poultry business. So yeah, as I said, you have to weigh what you have asked for, and you have to evaluate the preparation that goes into you achieving it, based on time, how long it's gonna take you, and the amount of work that needs to go in for you to actually achieve what you have asked for. So we all are not ambitious about the same things. We all don't want the same things. So you need to stick to what you want and what you believe, and actually work towards it without looking at any person next to you, because you are running different races. There's also a saying that I like that says that popcorn is prepared in the same pots, same heat, same oil, but it all don't pop at the same time. So basically, this is how this world works, basically. But it doesn't mean that your turn to pop won't come. I know that not all the corn in popcorn pops, but if you have faith, that's where faith comes in. If you have faith and you believe in yourself and you manifest things are going to come to your life. You are going to be one of the popcorns that pops. It doesn't matter when. It doesn't matter when, as long as you pop. So you need to believe that your turn to pop is going to come, and it will come. Tell God what you want. Be specific. Don't tell God a lot of different things, because he's not gonna understand what you're asking for. Be specific. Set your eye in that specific goal until you achieve it, and then move your energy to something different. Do not let anybody discourage you. Don't let anybody's success discourage you. It must motivate you more than it must discourage you. My friends are my biggest motivator. They are the reason why I get up, and I get up stronger every single day, because with them I know it's possible, because they have achieved what they wanted. I saw them struggling, they're manifesting, and now they're ripping what they sowed. They finally eating the fruit of their tree. So I am motivated that, okay, Nami, I will get to where I want. They have embarked in the journey, and now I have guidance, because I have seen Uguti, okay, this is what I have to do, this is what I don't have to do, and at the end of the day, I am going to get to where I want. And stop being negative. That's a thing. You know what? If in your head you are negative, you will start attracting a lot of negativity around you. Everything, even you won't even be able to see something good coming into your life, because of these negative thoughts that are lingering in your head all the time. You're going to miss a lot of opportunities because you're being negative. You allowing the pressure to affect you negatively. You're looking at another person and you're really jealous, and the universe is going to flood you with more negativity, because that's how the universe works. Whatever we think, whatever we say, our actions are accepted by the universe. So be careful of what you think, be careful of what you say, because the universe has the ability to see our thoughts and to give you things related to your thoughts, to flood you with things that are related to what you've been thinking. You need to be about what you want and stop comparing yourself to other people. Motivation comes from within. I feel like you are your biggest motivator. You need to be confident in everything that you do. You have to wake up each and every morning and be positive that I trust my process. You have to trust your process, and you are going to be set for greatness. Yes. So this brings us to the end of our video. Thank you so much for you who have made it to the end of the video. I really appreciate you. I hope what I spoke about would really help you. I'm not a perfect person, but my understanding of the situation I was going through helped me. I had needed to understand my situation so that I could come up with solutions as to how to deal with it. So it really helped me. So I do hope that it will help you too. So thank you very much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share my videos, don't forget to tell your friend about Nosy Nice.